Hey guys, what's up? It's me, iTech Expert. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be showing you guys how to downgrade or update your device between iOS and iPadOS 18 versions. So for example, if you want, you can downgrade your iPhone from iOS 18.4 beta to iOS 18.3.2. You are not going to lose data for this video, so don't worry about losing your data because you are going to be making a backup first before you downgrade or update your device. For updating, you just want to make sure that you have a backup just in case you lose any data. For this video tutorial, do note that this is actually going to be my first ever voiceover tutorial, so just please have some patience with me here. And yeah, now let's get started. Alright, so what you guys want to do is just go to IPSW.me, and then from there just choose your Apple device, so iPhone or iPad. I'm going to select the iPad mini 5 here, since that is the device that we are going to be updating to iPadOS 18.3.2. Alright, so just choose a signed IPSW file here, which is iPadOS 18.3.2. That's currently the latest public release that Apple made. So just select that, and once you can see the download button here, just download the IPSW file. I already have it downloaded on my Mac, so I'm not going to download that again. If you want to downgrade to another beta or a RC version of iOS, so iOS 18.3 RC, something like that, you would want to go to IPSW.dev, where you can find those IPSW files. Alright, so now what you guys want to do is just connect your device here. As you can see, I'm going to connect my iPad here to my computer. If you get this alert, allow accessory to connect, just make sure you allow that. And then you need to trust the computer on your device if you get that prompt. So just make sure you trust that. And now just select the device here in Finder. If you're using iTunes, just make sure that you're on the device window. Now from here, there are two options, update and restore iPad. Since I am updating the iPad here, I'm going to select the update option. Just hold the shift key or option key. It's the option key on macOS and then the shift key on Windows. Just hold that while you're pressing the update or restore button and click on open and then update or restore. If you are restoring your device, just make sure you back up your device first, because you will be losing data when you restore your device. So you can just restore from that backup that you made once your device has downgraded. And yeah, if you get prompted to enter in your device passcode, just type it in and just wait for your device to update. For this part of the tutorial, I'll just be speeding it up because you guys don't need to be watching this part. If you guys want to follow a written tutorial instead of a video tutorial, just go to my website here, iconfigrealm.netlify.app, and you can find a written tutorial on the Apple tutorials page. Just click on learn more, and right here you guys can see that there is a tutorial on how to update or downgrade your device between iOS and iPadOS 18 versions. So if you guys want, you can just follow this written tutorial that I have on my website instead of watching this video tutorial. Alright, so now I'm going to go back to Finder here, and we are just going to wait for our device to update. Alright, so now we are just going to wait for our device to update. So I'm just going to speed up this part of the video, since you guys don't need to watch my iPad here while it's updating. So I'll just speed this part up. Alright, so now once you get this message that your device has been updated, just click OK. And now just wait for your device to restart. Alright, so now we are just going to wait for our iPad to boot up, and now right here it's on the setup screen. So now we are just going to set up our device here. Alright, so now our device is completely set up, and now we are running iPadOS 18. If I go to settings here and go to the about page, just ignore the lagginess because this iPad was updated from iPadOS 16 to the latest iPadOS 18 version, which is iPadOS 18.3.2. If you guys are downgrading from like a beta to a public release, you would need to change the iOS version in the info plist file of your backup, which I'm going to show you guys how to do just that right now. Here I'm going to open up Finder and then click on Go, and then go to a folder, and then I am going to go to the device backup folder for the iPhone and iPad here. Have the location in the description box below, and from there just find the info.plist file and open that file. You can open it with text edit on macOS, or if you're on Windows, just use the Notepad app and then search for product, and there you can find the product version. Just change that to the version that you are downgrading to. Make sure you save that file, and now you can restore from that backup. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day, and goodbye.